Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexflips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 21st of June 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the latest videos from my side. Okay, I'm going to take you towards the today's signals report and Euro USD with the bullish expectation from my side from 112917 and 113265 is the target price. And guys, you can see a clear bullish trend on the chart, and even Euro USD has went beyond the barriers of the target price that I have supplied in my signals report. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions in our as per the signals report. They must have taken the profits. Okay guys, we do not discuss the losing trades. Now let's move ahead towards the USD JPY. Okay guys, a semi-satisfied signal. Like we have not seen any good volatility in the market on USD JPY. However, I have supplied the bullish trend from 107372, and guys, you can see it has clearly break the entry. Then USD JPY stayed up for a few hours, and after that we have a drop. So if you have done a little swing trading like 30 to 40% of the signal, then you must have collected the good profit like I have traded this one, and you can see the result on the screen. Okay, now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar. So guys, very bad day for USD Canadian dollar. Now we have seen no volatility in the market. However, my prediction was bullish on USD Canadian dollar because it is already dropped too much. 132011 is the entry, but now if you look at the level, it breaks the entry, but it's just leaning on the levels. Overall, we have even not seen any kind of volatility even on Friday, so we cannot say a very good day on USD Canadian dollar. Okay guys, we have seen a very good move today on Great Britain Pound JPY. I have supplied the bullish signal from 136220 and 137060 is the target price. And guys, you can see Great Britain Pound JPY is clearly making the bullish pattern. It has taken the U-turn clearly, and now it's on the way towards the target price, which is 137060. So guys, the market is going to end in the few hours. It will get off, and if you are already into the profits, then I suggest you to close your trades, not trade too much, because you know that this is the closing session of the Friday. Okay, now let's talk about the Euro JPY. A massive trade that is taken on Euro JPY, and that was a bullish prediction from my side from 121144 and 121609 is the target price. And guys, you can see the market clearly breaks my level that I have provided in my signals report. That was the bullish entry, and Euro JPY clearly went up, and then it hit the target price, and even after that target price the market stayed up. And if you have traded Euro JPY full signal, then you must have taken a very good profit. At last, I'm going to talk about AUD JPY. That's the last signal of my signals report. So AUD JPY with a bullish expectation from 74360 and 74752 is the target price. And guys, you can see finally AUD JPY has breaks our entry, and it stayed above our entry. So overall, if you have done scalping on AUD JPY, because if you look at this momentum, then it was very slow. The market was going nowhere. So here comes the move, and it was bullish as predicted as per the signals report. Okay guys, just for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Those subscribers who are just new, that's for them. So if you see that the market is into the top red boundary, and if it's getting the rejection, you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair. Moreover, the price monitor is here to help you. When it turns into green, it means that's the time to buy. When it turns red, it means that's the time to sell. And moreover, the scalper is there to help you. Like the scalper has given the buy signal in the form of white arrow from the oversold levels, the market moved up. And when it moved up, then it went into the top red boundary, then it received the rejection. Look at this point, the scalper has pointed the sell arrow at the overbought levels, and then the market has a drop. So guys, we mostly use this trading system for swing trading. So if you are interested in swing trading, then this is a very good system for this purpose. Okay guys, this is all about today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexflips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.